Hello, lovely souls. Do you know our bodies are made up of 5 main elements? 12% is earth, 72% is water, 4% is fire, 6% is air, and 6% is space. And these 5 elements are always all around you in nature. When you take a mindful walk barefoot on grass and in the open air, you connect directly to the earth. This connection allows you to absorb electrons from the earth, fresh air from the surrounding, which transfer energy from earth to your body. Practicing 15 minutes of mindful walking has a wide benefit which helps reduce stress and anxiety, give you a positive boost, improves overall health,